Hello and welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're working on this Mazda. It's a 2017 and we have this fault code, and the reality is when I say fault code, that's what we have. Them two there, they're pinging, the others are pinging because I'm already on the ABS section. So we've got camera module B115E. I'm using the Kingbolen K8 Pro. Yep. And I'm going to show you how to reset this. If you're just getting this and not a code U something, then it's really easy to fix. So what we need to do, come out. I'm just going to show you guys. Oh, for the love of God, what did I do? So let it do this. So what we're going to do, once it all goes through, I'm going to show you what module we're going to go on and what we need to do to code it in. Because we're going to do the dynamic aiming. And we need to drive for about 5 to 10 minutes. Constant driving. It will blink on here. Maybe for a few seconds, maybe, I don't know. So there you are, forward seeing camera, there you are. So go into there, special functions, aiming, and then you've got two here. Dynamic aiming is what we need. Okay, so let me just turn the car off, because cars, these sort of coding and whatnot, never like to be so okay, yes please, ignition on, as we can see. So as you can see, it's blinking, right? So what we need to do is this, as it says. So a vehicle is entered into calibration mode. Drive to complete the calibration. Drive on a straight road at speed of 25 miles an hour, which is 40 kilometers. Make sure you do it for 5-10 minutes. Travel on a flat road, guide. Okay. So I think country roads are probably okay for this, or even normal roads. So this is what we need to do. Get cracking, drive it, and hopefully it'll reset. I can't really record and drive at the same time, so I'm just going to drive for the 5-10 minutes and then I'll show you what will be done after. So luckily I've got Jack with me, so if you just pull over this side, Jack, there we are. So there we are. So we're going to do the usual speed it says, so 25 miles an hour above. Long story short, do this sort of drive for 5-10 minutes. So the time really is now 26 past, so we'll just keep driving for the best part of 10 minutes like this. Motorway is quite good for this game as well, because it's a flat surface and you don't have to worry about up and down hills and slowing down in town. But we'll just use this road and carry on like this for the 10 minutes. So if you come back, there you are, guys. Look, it's gone off. We're not doing anything crazy in terms of speed. Once it's calibrated itself, it will go as it is, as you can see, and there's nothing to worry about. But that's only if you have the top code, the B. But if you have another code like U, that means it's to do with the module either faulty or the wiring room to it, so it's not going to work. But that's where we say, do a full scan and clear. As you can see, so if I turn it off and turn it on, there should be none of this here. It should all be clear. And if you was to read the fault code, shouldn't be there anything there really. There are no DTCs. Happy days. As we can see, that's as simple as it gets, guys. So if you've got this sort of diagnostic, go for it. If not, it will be similar on yours as well. That's only if you can do coding and programming.